Hello, my beautiful friend. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious arroz con leche or rice pudding sponsored by the 99. So first we're going to boil 6 cups of water and we're going to add 2 cinnamon sticks followed by a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. And then we're going to bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiled, we're going to want to pour in our thoroughly washed rice. You want to make sure that it's very, very clean so the water comes out clear. Followed by a 1/2 cup of sugar. We're going to want to pour that in. And then after, we're going to want to just kind of slowly blend in our water and rice. You don't want it to stick. You want to just continuously blend throughout the next 20 minutes as the water begins to condense down. Once the water is pretty much evaporated, you want to make sure that the rice is nice and soft. And I did check this off camera. So next, you're going to want to pour in 6 cups of milk. There we go. Now let's add in our condensed milk as well as the 1 can of media crema. And then let's add in our vanilla extract. I always like to add a little more just for good luck. So then you're going to put this back on the heat for about 20 minutes. You'll make sure you stir everything really good and then just let it boil for about 20 minutes on low medium heat. And then it should be ready to go. And now we're going to serve. Oh my God, this smells so good. And since I'm feeling a little extra, this is totally optional. I am grating a little bit of chocolate on top. This is the chocolate that I used during the champurrado. So as you can see here, I'm just adding a little bit more just to be extra. And it smells so good, so I can't wait to try it. It's time for the taste test. It's so exciting. This says so good. And thank you again to the 99 for sponsoring today's video. If you do have a 99 near you, definitely check them out. They have tons of amazing deals, especially for the holiday season and also for the new year. So thank you to the 99 for helping us beat inflation every day. And I'll see you guys on the next one.